Are you sure this is Dude's house? Yeah, I am pretty sure. Hey guys, come right in. Oh yeah, and I forgot, who are you? I'm Henry. Oh, haven't seen you in a long time. How have you been? 3 of my brothers have recently been killed by a tornado. Oof, I feel bad for you. Anyways, let's go inside. Come on, bro, let's go. Okay. God, is there any water here? I've been walking for 40 hours straight. Even though I don't go to middle school no more because I'm 19. Oh look, there's sink water. Stop being gay. Shut your brain rot mouth right now. We also have to go to the freaking attic and throw the spruce tree you planted. That's up there. Okay, geez, no more death threats. Well, I'm going to go upstairs. I'm agreeing with Henry too. Same. Who wants to watch some TV? Me? Hey, you both lies down. Sorry. Okay, I'll turn it on. Hurricane Milton approaches Florida as multiple tornadoes are already impacting. Aren't we in Florida? No, we're in Louisiana. Oh, phew. But there are several reports of 2 upcoming hurricanes forming near North Carolina and Africa. Oh gosh. There is also a low chance that after those 2 disturbances pass, there might be a disturbance in the Gulf of Mexico and head for Louisiana. I hope that isn't us. Yeah, we're in Louisiana. But I still hate it without my spine. It just sucks. Who the hell saw that glass bulb fell? Not me. Well, I just did. It's probably because y'all guys are looking at each other. Hey. Why is so many glass bulbs falling? I don't know. It's probably due to the wind outside. And look, the roof just fell automatically. Bro, how the hell did the roof just fail? IDC, but we need to get rid of all this stuff. Hey, I'm gonna throw that thing at the TV. Don't you dare, I spent like $300 on that. Dang, you're pretty rich, huh? Yes. Hey, what if we throw this outside? Good idea. WAAAAAAA. Guys, help me, I'm stuck. Thanks. Well, now I'm just a limbless wimp. Stupid. Okay, it's time for bed. Good night. Good night. I'll just sleep on top. I'll just sleep on top of Henry. Bro, don't suck. I'll sleep right here. Good night, guys. Good night. Good morning. Good morning. Good morning, bro. Good morning, Henry. Say, where is dude? I thought his name was Sam. Yeah, but I call him dude. But where is he? IDC. Since he is 2 plus years older than me, which is 21, he probably drive his car and went for a ride. But he doesn't have a car. Then I don't freaking know then. Well, it's true. Let me punch you down to there. Get me down, you freak. Give me a limb connector right now, you freak. Okay, geez. You have this stupid limb connector. You're just making it worse. It's just even worse. Now get me the frick down here from here. Okay, now I'm good. God, even more stuff is falling. Yeah, IDC, what is causing that? Oh, why is sirens going off? Oh crap, the sky is green. That means a tornado. But where do we hide? Oh look, there's the tornado mage. The tornado mage? Where? Grab your guns grab your guns. I'll use a minigun, I guess. Wow, I am the mystical tornado mage. Grab your guns. Hey, I think I shot myself. and Sam. Wait, his name is Tom. Just like my sibling. I'll avenge you. Oh, fun music, I like that. Holy gosh, I did it. I actually did it. Being the scary cat made me win. I can't believe it. This officially means Tornado Story Season 1 is completed. Thank you for watching.